Atho boni watho kuna tukiuma kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga ni ati ngwatanĩro ya arutwo a university kaunti-ini ya Taita Taveta yugite ni marathi na mbere na kunyita itemi mihang'o-ini ya kwiyandikithia ta aikia a kura niguo makanyita itemi githurano-ini kinene kia mwaka wa 2027 magitongorio ni murugamiriri wa arutwo kaunti-ini iyo niwe Liz wa Kesho. Arutwo aya maugite ni maguthie na mbere na gutambia kampeni ya kũũria arutwo meyandikithie kwa uingi amu ino noyo njira iria ikamateithiriria mathuri atongoria ria marenda maya makihanika. Arutwo aya oho ni mataritwo meyandikithie na ciama cia kiuteti niguo makahota gukinyaniria cioneki ciao cia mogaruruku maria marenda kuhitukira ciama icio.
Know that it's time for us to take action, time for us as leaders to know that we are the leaders of today and not of tomorrow. And with this, I believe that I urge my fellow youths that it is key for us to go register as voters. As today also we've had the initiative to Kokadi here, where we are making sure all the youths that are coming here are registered as voters, and those that are not have taken up their votes.
Mine is to encourage them that you need to think about how to get into the political parties, because that is where policies originate from. I mean, for example, as we go into the next election, you would find that the manifestos, of the things that are going to affect youth, the cooking pot is in the political parties.
So this is not just a beginning or a continuation of anything. It is a history we are writing, and a history that we will keep writing as young people, where wajukuu wetu pia wakija tutakuwa proud kwamba sisi wakati wetu tulibadilisha system ambayo labda ilikuwa inanyanyasa vijana, labda ilikuwa haisaidii vijana in one way or the other.
Na tukidina